In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product catalog on Google Sites fast and easy. If you've ever thought about showcasing your products online in a simple yet effective way, using Google Sites is a fantastic option, especially for beginners. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sites. Simply open your browser and search for Google Sites on your favorite search engine. You'll notice the first link that appears in your results. Click on it to proceed. This will bring you to the main page of Google Sites. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see You'll see a variety of site templates you can select from. Take your time to browse through the available options. Then select the site that suits your needs by simply clicking on it. This will open the site editor, where you'll be doing most of the customization. Now in the site editor, look over to the sidebar and click on the Pages option. Here, you can manage and create new pages for your site. Clicking the Pages tab is key, as it will allow you to add a new page for your product catalog. To add a new page, look for the plus icon, often located at the bottom of the Pages panel, and click on it. In the dialog box that appears, you'll want to name this new page something meaningful like Product Catalog. Don't worry, you can always change this later if you decide on a different name. Once you've done that, hit Done to confirm the creation of your new page. With your new page created, it's now time to focus on the layout. To do this, navigate over to the Insert tab, which will offer a range of content widgets you can use. Here, you'll want to select a grid layout to organize your products effectively. A 2 or 3 column layout is usually ideal for displaying product images, names, prices, and brief descriptions. Now in each column, you can upload images of your products by clicking on the image placeholders. Once you've uploaded the product images, take the time to add text fields below these images. This is where you'll input important details, like the product name, price, and a short description. Be sure to make your descriptions concise yet informative, as this information will help potential buyers understand what each product offers. Once you've filled in all the details and customized your page to your liking, take a moment to review everything. When you're satisfied with how your catalog looks, it's time for the final step, publishing your site. Just click on the Publish button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. This action will make your product catalog live on the web, ready for visitors to explore. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to setting up a product catalog on Google Sites. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to showcase your products with ease. Happy creating!